David, what just happened?
I don't know. Some dude gave us $20 for no reason.
Yeah.
You think you were homeless or something?
I think you thought I was homeless.
With a fucking Sony A7000.
Well, it's an A6400, but yeah.
People don't need to know that.
I literally was just sitting right here, and what did he say? He's like, hey.
Yeah.
And then I was like, what you doing, man? He's like, some money?
You should have just fucking straight up jumped in the Land Rover, right?
Hey, I mean, he wanted good karma, you know. I took the 20. It's gonna go towards the paint job. That's fucking. Oh yeah, towards the weed, huh?
No, I'm kidding. Towards the paint job.
I literally was here. Can you hold that so we can give the people a visual? So we were just sitting right here like this, but the camera was right here, behind me, strapped. And then he drives this way, and he like yells something. David's smoking a cigarette, and he goes like this to David. And then I'm like, and David's like, what? And then I'm like, and then he's like, here. So I get up. I was like, some money, man? He's like, here you go. And then I'm like, thank you. And I just left. Dude, we really can be making bread out here if we just act homeless. That's crazy.
That's never happened to me before, dude.
Keep hanging out with me, man. We about to pan around the world right now. All right, chill out. Put this camera away.
I don't know what the hell just happened.
That was
weird.
That was weird as fuck. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
I don't know, dude. But hey, we got a 20.
We just got blessed.
Yeah, we just got blessed.
I don't know what it was, but all right. Thanks, dude. Thanks, dude. In the Camry, he walked over there, got his car, he was just hawked a big ass loogie. He's like, I guess he just felt sorry for me. Oh, here I go. Back to sitting down. Cigarettes done? Oh, dude that owned the body shop ain't coming till 4 o'clock, Conrad. So we're gonna have to wait till Conrad to get back. Right now it is like an hour, so we're gonna go kill an hour and buy some weed. Gosh, let's kick that. Conrad, how you doing? Are you the dude? You the dude that want to do the paint job? Yes, sir. How you doing? How you doing, man?
How you doing?
How's it going? So what do you have? All right, let me tell you all the details. Let's get into it. Disassemble the car more, like the headlights and shit, and then basically try to get it ready to paint. I'm just looking for someone that could probably do a pretty good job.
You want to do the prep? You want to paint it too, or you just want to prep it?
I mean, I kind of wanted to like dabble with it. Even if it was cool with you, I kind of want to like see the process and just be familiar with it because I want to learn more. You know what I mean?
But see, I got a caddy in here right now. I mean, he sent this to another body shop, and he wasn't happy with the results, so he brought it to me because he paid them like $8,000 or $9,000 to paint the car.
You paint this one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Look at you, man.
Yeah. I gotta polish. See the rest of it is sanded.
Yeah.
I gotta sand this again. The whole car been painted. I had to reshoot this. I had some issues. So painted the stripe and everything. A little pinstripe. So anyway, so the story on this car here.
Yeah.
Another body shop painted this.
Oh man, look at that.
Okay. It was Surf City. You look down the side of this motherfucker. They had waves all up and down this motherfucker. So he took it back to him, and they wanted another $3,500. They said, look, give us another $3,500, and we'll block. But they charged him enough to do that up front, cause they charged him like $10,000. I think like $9,000, $10,000 for his paint job. If I do a car for $9,000, I'm gonna make it straight.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure I don't have any ripples in it, you know. So he brought it to me cause he know I can get him straight. Point. I had to reshoot the sides again. I had to do body work on top of their shit, the other shop.
Man.
So I had to go over their shit, you know. I had to fill in some low spots with my polyester putty and shit to block it. Prime it, block it, prime it, you know what I mean? So.
You been in the game for a while, you OG?
I've been in this shit for over 30 years.
Over 30 years, huh?
How old are you? I'm probably been in here longer than you've been here.
Yeah, I'm 26.
Oh, yeah. When I started this game, yeah, you was thought of, you just had materialized.
There you go.
You might have been thought of.
I probably wasn't thought of, tell you the truth. So it is. The last time you seen us, we are at Conrad's, and yeah, so he told us like basically if we were really about that life, that he was gonna charge us like 6,000, because that's what he does when he like restores like classic cars.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna show him the car and let him know like what work we've done. But on a side note, I haven't drove my 540 in forever. It feels so fucking slow. Jeez.
It's because the E30 is so violent all the time, dude.
Yeah, it's just all the time. The E30 is like go 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 go. This one is like,
it's like hold on.
yeah, it's like chill out, bro. Like we were chilling though.
You got that 6th gear though.
Yeah, look at that.
You haven't used that in a while.
That's true. And I haven't went over like 120 in a while. The E30 does not go over 120.
It's that 410 life.
But for the most part, it feels good to be in here. So we could just make an update. Like, so this is the update of the 540, because people, like, they want to see it, but I haven't been making it.
Pretty much.
Could you just tell the people, like do the YouTube thing, tell the people
I'm
how
not a
hard,
YouTuber, man. What am I supposed to tell them?
how hard, okay. It's hard finding a reputable body shop. It's hard to find a reputable body shop that you trust and that costs like a pretty significant amount, because usually body shops work with like insurance. So the fucking average consumer that wants to paint his car, he's gonna have to pay insurance prices, which is way higher. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we have no windows in here. We took the windows out.
I probably can. I'm like not in the wind.
Okay. But how does it feel on E30? I mean E34.
It just feels smooth and kind of slow.
Yeah, dude. It feels comfortable though.
Yeah. Like we're probably not even gonna be tired by the time we get back. The E30, we get to San Pedro, we're tired.
Yeah, that car, you work with that car.
Yeah.
This car, we're chilling, dude.
Yeah, dude.
We even have music. Hey, copyright. Alright guys, we'll see you there.
This one doesn't have the same grip as the E30, dude. That was scary as fuck.
I'm sorry. I just haven't driven it forever.
I saw your face when it was floating towards the barrier. You're like, oh shit.
The steering is not the same. So I was like, okay, a little bit more. Oh man.
I felt the front end go light, dude.
I was trying to steer it, but like the E30, all you need to do is that.
Yeah.
But this one, I didn't want to do it like a lot, so I was just like, okay. I don't usually scare you off, but that's
that time you did.
Oh man.
And back to San Pedro.
Be a man.
Don't be fucking scared.
We back.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful. Thanks, man.
BMW, what's that? Black man's woman?
There you go.
BMW, black man's woman.
Yep. Yeah, so we just pulled up to Conrad's, and Conrad taking a look at it. And we'll see how we go from here. Just need a little bit, you know?
Yeah, so who put these doors on, man?
I mean, I just threw them on, because I don't know if you want to take them off.
No, I'm just saying.
Because I didn't adjust it at all.
Because it looks like it's been in an accident. You know how I can tell?
How?
Hold on, let me check the other side.
Don't scare me now.
No, you know what? No, it's about the same. Because you put all new doors on, right?
Uh-huh.
We haven't adjusted them at all.
Okay, so you just got, because I'm wondering how come the gap was so big, but it's the same on this side. Okay, so you see this pillow here?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is your B pillow. This is your A pillow, right? So when a car get hit, sometimes the A pillow will get hit or go in, and if you don't pull that pillow back out, that door will never line up. Okay, so what happens is, if this pillow goes in and you hang the fucking door on here, you're gonna have a gap that fucking wide.
I see what you're talking about.
So when I saw that wide gap, I'm like, wait a minute, did that B pillow get hit and move in a little bit.
Yeah.
But I can see that this pillow hasn't been disturbed. I can see that it looks clean in there. That looks clean. So, oh yeah, man, I see the deal. So y'all sanding the fuck out of it, huh? Hey, so I'm gonna show you what you get, man. You can go to Harbor Freight and get you one.
Yeah.
And it'll make your job so easy, man. I'm gonna show you.
Send the fuck out of it.
This is electric DA, right? You get you one of these. It's got electric. You don't need an air compressor with this. And put you some put you some sanding paper on there.
Yeah.
Like 180, 180 or 320. Stick it on there, man, and it'll sand that motherfucking shit so sweet.
Just make it faster, huh?
And this gonna do the work. You ain't gonna be working your ass off.
Yeah.
This gonna do the work for you. All you gotta do is keep moving it. Feather now, look. See, I don't see that? It's gonna make your life easy, buddy. That's right. This gonna make your motherfucking life easy. See that?
Yeah.
See how they're taking that shit off? But you need a full sheet. You need the sheet that'll fit this. See, and this is the stick.
That's
this
like a 3-inch on a 4-inch or something like that?
Yeah, this is like this is like a 5-inch on a, see, and I'm using 180. So you want a 6-inch 180 stick, the kind that sticks. Get you a few sheets, man, and this will make your life easy.
Just hit the whole car, huh?
Yeah.
Bro, your homie over here just told me you sanded this whole thing by hand.
Yes,
I know you
sir.
said you sanded it, but I let you use the machine.
No, I use a block sand 320, the whole car.
So
That's dedication right there.
you know what I'm saying? This, you get you something like this. I don't use this that much. I mean, I do use it sometimes.
Yeah.
But if you want to use this one, you can use this one.
Bet. All right.
Can I trust you?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna have to kill you over there, right? I'm fucking with you.
Don't mess with the car guy.
Just got blessed. I don't know what happened, but Conrad is cool. But at the same,
expecting that shit.
yeah. So I don't know. I just don't know. We gonna just try. Yeah, we gonna keep sanding the car and just get closer to paint. But if we didn't get a definite answer of how much or what, we just gonna do it. On a side note, my buddy, I just told him I'm gonna pull up on him and see what he thinks about the car.
All right, yeah. Where's he at?
He's in Wilmington.
All right.
Can you touch that again?
What's up?
Can you touch it again?
For real?
Yeah. Danny don't like to be on camera, but Danny's using his third eye to find some dents with his hand, basically just touching this whole thing. But he did say, what'd you say? 60% there, man. We almost there. I was about to give up. 60, 70.
All sanded already.
Shit. Gotta talk to this camera real quick. I didn't know it was gonna be this hard to paint a fucking car. If I did know, I would buy a car that was just already clean. So if you learn anything from this, buy a car that does not need paint. Because if you do, this shit is a process.
I mean, it's a process when you want it to come out right.
That's true. Yeah, you can actually get it painted like real quick and just like call it even. But I really want the car to look really good. And that's why like it's hard to find a paint shop, a paint spray. And I'm like doing all the necessary body work. So I'm like they see, I guess just because you can see how serious I am with the fucking panels that I'm changing out or some shit. But for the most part, a lot of I want top quality for low dollar is what I'm trying to say. And to get that, it's like we gonna have to paint this fucking car. We ain't get 420 likes on that last video either. But it does look like we're gonna end up painting it. I mean, I didn't expect this. But I mean, hopefully when it's done, it's gonna be like, wow.
It's just the further we go along, dude, it's just like we're seeing all the little things that need to be done.
True.
That, you know, basically the things we know we're gonna see once the clear and the base coat is on there.
True. Yeah, and then like after doing this whole process, we're gonna have that knowledge to like do it again if we ever need to. Cause it's always like the first time is always the hardest time. It's just once you get done with like the first time, everything becomes easy. Pop that cherry, bruh. Shout out to David, he's over there. They can't hear you because the mic. Yeah. But yeah, you pop the cherry, it's easy after that. Damn. But I mean, after that, the car's gonna look cherry. Okay, so what it's looking like. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy some paint and some sanding materials. Maybe even another orbital sander so we both can hit it if you don't mind. And just get it that much closer. Oh, I gotta buy some body filler, some Bondo. And Danny said he'll help us with that. I mean, he didn't really say he would help us. He was kind of beating around the bush, but we'll force his ass. And other than that, yeah. The car's gonna look good. I'm debating if I should do like a motor swap or a Jaguar supercharger. I know everybody's telling me to do the Jaguar supercharger, but like the paint is so expensive at this point. You know what? You guys want me to do a fucking Jaguar supercharger? Look, this is what I'll tell you. I'm gonna make something to help you. I mean, to allow anybody that wants to help me. So if you guys want me to do what you guys want me to do, I'm probably gonna have like some t-shirts made or a GoFundMe or something. But Patreon. I'm gonna tell you guys like support me on that because then that would really help, and I'll get the cars done. Cause we ain't talking about like $5, $10. These shits are thousands of dollars.
Like the one coat we got was what, $4,000 to $6,000?
Yeah, the first quote we got was $4,000 to $6,000. He was like, if I paint it,
And bodywork.
yeah, if it's I paint that motherfucker, it's gonna cost you around $6,000. That's what Conrad said. Yeah. We didn't record that spot when he was talking. Yeah. If we did, we did. Yeah. Conrad was a character. But yeah, I didn't think paint would be this hard. Yeah. Yeah, I need to like allow the people if they want to help to give them a chance. Yeah, so soon we're gonna do that. And then, bro, imagine they just start hooking us up and we're like, no excuses. We're like, damn, bro, we got money now, but we can't finish the car. We suck. Yeah, okay, so Dave's the one that kind of talked me out of the supercharger project. I'm just gonna tell the people, man. He was just saying like, yeah, bro, I think you should just save that for the drift car because we want to do a drift car in the future. And a lot of people do want to see that supercharger. They always hit me up talking about it. But if you guys want to, if we get the funding behind it, you be down? Dave is down, he said.
Down.
Down.
Yeah.
I can't really see.
I'm down.
Alright, give me a thumbs up. Alright, cool. Alright, this is what we're going to do, man. We're going to allow you guys to help us out. And if we get funding, then we'll get the cars done. Because that's mainly the problem right now. It's just no funding. I mean, the E30 got done with like the fucking money, my life savings, and David's spare parts.
From the bin.
Yeah, from the spare parts bin and other homie spare parts bin. But if we got funding, it's a whole nother level. I'm gonna get to that. That's gonna be what we're gonna do now. All right, you guys. If I see you, I see you. If I don't, I don't.
The fuck?
It was Surf City. You look down the side of this motherfucker, they had waves all up and down this motherfucker.
Don't be fucking scared.
I see the deal, so y'all sanding the fuck out of it, huh? It's gonna make your motherfucking life easy. See that?